Okay, we're at the last problem, and in this problem we know that angle GIH is 10 degrees. So if this is 10 degrees, that's an inscribed angle. It is half the measure of the intercepted arc. So this has to be 20 degrees, and this would obviously be 20 degrees as well. So knowing that, that's helpful to find the area and the perimeter of this piece of pie called a sector. We have 12 for our radii, so let's start with the area. As 20 is to 360, the area would be to 144 pi, because it's pi r squared. So then you do get 2,880 pi is equal to 360x, and if you divide both sides by 360, you get 8 pi. And if you did find the approximate for that area, 8 times, use the pi key please, and you get 25.133, and I think that's in inches, so the area would be in inches squared. Alright, and the perimeter, you know the drill now. It is 20 over 360 equals the arc length over the circumference, and the circumference would be 24 pi, and that would be 480 pi equals 360y, and that is 4/3 or 1.3 repeating. That's fine as well. And then that's just the arc length. You need to find the perimeter by adding a radius plus the arc length. And then the perimeter would be approximately 28.189 inches. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense, and make sure you are using the pi key on your calculator. And remembering everything that we've learned with angle measures, like this is an inscribed angle, so what does that mean to us? That means that the arc that's intercepted is twice as big. Alright, so good luck. You guys are great, and I'm sure you'll do a fabulous job.